Dawn breaks over the airbase. The giants awaken.
8 engines, 1 missions, pure American power.
The crew boards. Veterans with thousands of hours.
In the cockpit, switches flip. Systems come alive.
The first engine roars, then another, and another.
All 8 engines at full thrust. The runway trembles.
Tower clears for takeoff.
This is it. Brakes release. 185 tons begins to roll.
Throttles full forward, no turning back. Faster, 50 knots, 70, 100. The nose lifts, rotation speed.
Main gear release the ground. She's flying. 8 engines screaming. The sound of freedom.
Gear retracting. Gaining altitude. The pilot banks left, racing a giant.
Inside, the crew works as one. Precision teamwork. Climbing through 5,000 feet. Mission altitude ahead.
These bombers have served for 7th years. Still unstoppable.
From Vietnam to Desert Storm to today.
A symbol of American air power. Recognized worldwide.
The pilot checks navigation, waypoint approaching.
Fuel tanks full. Range, 8,000 miles without refueling. Cruising at 40,000 feet. Above the weather. In the cockpit, coffee is poured. Long missions require endurance.
A quick systems check. Everything green.
The B-52 can carry 70,000 pounds of ordnance.
But today's mission is training, showing the flag.
Radio crackles. Command checks in.
Raider 2-1, status report.
All systems nominal, continuing on course.
The bomber begins a slow turn. New heading.
Wings flex with the maneuver. Engineering marvel.
The pilot steadies on new course. Smooth hands.
Ahead, a tanker aircraft. Time to refuel.
Closing distance. The tanker extends its boom.
Contact. Fuel flowing. The pilot holds formation. Inches matter at this distance.
Thousands of gallons transfer in minutes.
Disconnect. The boom retracts. B-52 drops back. Mission continues.
Fuel tanks topped off. Range extended.
A lone sentinel in the sky. Watching. Waiting. The sun climbs higher. The mission continues. Every system monitored. Nothing left to chance. Generations of pilots have flown this very aircraft through Cold War tensions and modern conflicts.
The mission nears completion. Time to head home.
The bomber banks toward base. Descending.
Tower 0, standing. Tower clears point for approach. Runway in sight. Landing gear down, 3 green lights.
Over the threshold. Steady descent.
Main gear touches. Puff of smoke from the tires.
Thrust reversers engage. Engines roar in reverse.
Speed bleeds off. Smooth rollout.
The pilot steers off the active runway, taxiing to parking.
Back to the flight line. Mission complete.